Diplomats, thoughts are called like a plague. Bibi's changes read it's all so vague. They're displaying vibes more than a spark. Turn their allies into foes in the dark. In the Leper state, extremists stream. Random school with the violent gleam. War crimes broadcasting for all to see. Isolation's now our reality. Embassies, mostly flags coming down. Netanyahu circus, we're the clowns. No one wants us to sell a deal. In a land run by zealots, we steal. In the Leper state, extremists stream. Random school with a violent gleam. War crimes broadcasting for all to see. Isolation's now our reality. From peace talks to fist fights, creep on spread. Diplomacy's dead and reason's fled. Wars ignited with reckless pride. No allies left on our side. The violent gleam, war crimes broadcasting for all to see. Isolation's now our reality. So is the isolation we burn. Diplomatic bridges early burn. A nation led by fools and hate.